Okay, so I have a question for other SMG champion sawmill owners. What do you tension your blade at? If I recall, when we bought ours, they said you should tension at about 1200. I never did like 1200 because it just seemed like too much tension, like I was breaking blades. So I was running it at about 900, 900. It's about 900 is usually where I've been running it, and no issues, and almost no blade breakage. So today, I was running the mill, forgot to put the tension on. It only had about 300 on it, and I was cutting straight boards. So I'm just kind of wondering if anybody else experienced that, like almost no tension on the blade. And I'm going to run a little video here now, and you can see what we produced. All right.